Had she left?
Yes, she had left.
Had he finished?
Yes, he had finished.
Had they eaten?
Yes, they had eaten.
Had you studied?
Yes, I had studied.
Had it rained?
Yes, it had rained.
Had we met before?
Yes, we had met before.
Had they gone?
Yes, they had gone.
Had you seen it?
Yes, I had seen it.
Had she called?
Yes, she had called.
Had he arrived?
Yes, he had arrived.
Had they slept?
Yes, they had slept.
Had you known?
Yes, I had known.
Had it started?
Yes, it had started.
Had we spoken?
Yes, we had spoken.
Had they left?
Yes, they had left.
Had you worked?
Yes, I had worked.
Had she cooked?
Yes, she had cooked.
Had he traveled?
Yes, he had traveled.
Had they met?
Yes, they had met.
Had you tried?
Yes, I had tried.
Had it broken?
Yes, it had broken.
Had we finished?
Yes, we had finished.
Had they known?
Yes, they had known.
Had you arrived?
Yes, I had arrived.
Had she ridden?
Yes, she had ridden.
Had he worked?
Yes, he had worked.
Had they spoken?
Yes, they had spoken.
Had you cleaned?
Yes, I had cleaned.
Had it fallen?
Yes, it had fallen.
Had we eaten?
Yes, we had eaten.
Had they read?
Yes, they had read.
Had you seen it before?
Yes, I had seen it before.
Had she slept?
Yes, she had slept.
Had he cleaned?
Yes, he had cleaned.
Had they danced?
Yes, they had danced.
Had you called?
Yes, I had called.
Had it stopped?
Yes, it had stopped.
Had we traveled?
Yes, we had traveled.
Had they studied?
Yes, they had studied.
Had you heard?
Yes, I had heard.
Had she cried?
Yes, she had cried.
Had he tried?
Yes, he had tried.
Had they eaten lunch?
Yes, they had eaten lunch.
Had you gone?
Yes, I had gone.
Had it worked?
Yes, it had worked.
Had we left?
Yes, we had left.
Had they cooked?
Yes, they had cooked.
Had you read it?
Yes, I had read it.
Had she painted?
Yes, she had painted.
Had he heard?
Yes, he had heard.
Had they played?
Yes, they had played.
Had you slept?
Yes, I had slept.
Had it melted?
Yes, it had melted.
Had we worked?
Yes, we had worked.
Had they visited?
Yes, they had visited.
Had you met her?
Yes, I had met her.
Had she danced?
Yes, she had danced.
Had he called?
Yes, he had called.
Had they traveled?
Yes, they had traveled.
Had you eaten dinner?
Yes, I had eaten dinner.
Had it stopped raining?
Yes, it had stopped raining.
Had we read?
Yes, we had read.
Had they tried?
Yes, they had tried.
Had you seen it before?
Yes, I had seen it before.
Had she finished?
Yes, she had finished.
Had he broken it?
Yes, he had broken it.
Had they heard?
Yes, they had heard.
Had you arrived early?
Yes, I had arrived early.
Had it been long?
Yes, it had been long.
Had we left?
Yes, we had left.
Had they spoken to her?
Yes, they had spoken to her.
Had you cooked?
Yes, I had cooked.
Had she studied?
Yes, she had studied.
Had he played?
Yes, he had played.
Had they cleaned the house?
Yes, they had cleaned the house.
Had you met them?
Yes, I had met them.
Had it stopped working?
Yes, it had stopped working.
Had we called?
Yes, we had called.
Had they cried?
Yes, they had cried.